Welcome to another Rumba Guaguanco class. Today we'll show you a quick routine finished with attack defense sequence. Before I start, I would like to recommend you an app. I found it last week. It's called Percussion Tutor, and it includes lots of Cuban and Afro-Cuban rhythms, but not only Afro-Cuban rhythms. There are Peruvian rhythms, Brazilians, lots of percussion, and there is Guaguanco in it as well. And the cool feature about this app is that you can slow down and speed up the rhythm, and you can switch on and off all different instruments. So when I'm talking now, I'll try to put like a screen. This will be advertising, Advertising in our videos. Nobody pays us for that. I don't know who made this app, but I think it's good. And I think if you want to develop your rumba and listening skills, definitely worth to test this app. The coolest thing is that you can switch on and off different instruments. Unfortunately, there is only one kata version, like we taught you in the first video, or if you watched my vlog with Dave, we told you that there are two different katas in Guaguanco. You have I like potatoes, I don't like carrots, I like potatoes, I don't like carrots, and I got it, I won't forget it, I got it, I won't forget it. And only the first one is in this app. What is still good enough? Okay, end of talking, start dancing. We start with one basic, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. First step of our sequence. We are using clave rhythm. We will walk 3 steps to the left and then we'll bounce and close our legs. We'll show you. Pa, 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 pa. Okay? So what is happening? Maybe we'll ignore arms for a second and we'll concentrate on legs. We are walking in a way we showed you in the previous videos. So if you haven't watched, check the cards. There are links to all previous videos. We start with our toes to the left, so we have pa, pa. Now we bounce back. Pa, pa, pa. Okay, when we finish with legs closed. Let's do the same thing again. Pa, 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 and pa, 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 pa. Okay, and we add arms on top of that. I'm going with my arm in a circular motion while we walk, and it ends up somewhere here on the bottom. I'll show this one more time. Pa-um, and you can go with your arm movement as well. Pa-um, pa-pa, pa-pa, pa-um, pa-pa. Okay? So what all are you doing?
Ladies, we go up. So start around your thighs area, and then you go up to your head. That's it.
Rumba is very provocative dance. It's very important to remember that from girl perspective. Pa, pa, pa-um, pa, hop, and pa, 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 pa. Okay.
Then there's one thing I should mention. Girls' hips. When you take this step, remember that your right hip is coming up. So you want to make this as big as you can.
So it's opposite hip to your weight. So when you're stomping on the left, right hip, and if you're stomping on the right, it is the left hip. Direction of step doesn't matter. It matters on which leg you are stomping. Okay, second part, we are traveling to the right, and we do clave rhythm. Pa, 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 and pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa. Okay, so I go with my right arm to the left and with my left arm to the right. Let's combine it. Let's start with one basic. Pa, 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 and pa, pa. We go pa, pa, e, pa, 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 go, and pa, 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 hop. Okay, this is part number 1. Number 2, we are crossing both to the front, 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we continue 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 2 steps, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. We close it as fast as we can. Okay? I'll sing it with clave. Pa, pa, cross, and pa, 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 pa. Okay? So very dynamic part. Pa, pa, and pa, pa, pa. So arms for cross. Pa, pa. So I go left, right. Ola goes left, right as well, but to the top. And then kum, kum, prrr. So we both open and we both close. Okay, let's do it one more time. Super slow-mo with arms. 5, 6, 7. Pa, 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 brrr. Okay. And continuation. You want to start or should I start?
You go.
Okay. So completely different part for guys and for girls. This is prep for attack and defense. I start with jump. Boom. Like, very important to know that jumps in Rumba are not jumps. Yeah. So it's more jumping down. Boom. I'm bending my knees. I am lifting my feet a bit from the ground, but not much. And I kind of squeeze my body so it doesn't look like I'm going, hey, yeah? It's a bit tight. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. And what all are you doing at the same time?
We do kachan. So you start with your right going to the right. So you go back, across, together, and then left, open, and behind with your left. So you get
You start
ready
with the right or you start with left? Left back, yeah?
with the right. And 1, 3, and 5,
Okay.
7.
Okay, so she goes with the right back, yeah. She goes with the right back, I jump and toe heel. I'll count as 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then continuation from here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so what happened here? We finished all after. Let's do it one more time with kachans.
Okay.
And I'll do my part as well. From jump 5, and then freeze at the end. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, up, down, 6, 7. And then I go toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross. And I believe Ola is doing turn. Then, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we finish the turn, and then once you're kind of halfway through, you go step onto your right.
So she keeps bouncing on it till 5, I believe.
Yeah.
Now I am on 3, and then 5, 6, position, 7, attack, defense. So my 7. So this is quite tricky movement. If you watched our reggaeton challenge, all I was talking about this Barbie kick, yeah. And this is actually quite similar movement when I talk about it.
Yeah.
Its accent is opposite direction, so I don't accent out, but I accent forward. But this is the movement. So only literally this part of the leg and hip is attacking, yeah? Because what is happening very often, guys try to over-exaggerate this movement and they do something like and that looks weird, yeah? So what you want instead is arms up, small movement with your arms to the left, and this hip movement to the right, and that's it. Boom. Sharp, boom, and that's attack. Okay? That is an element that requires quite a bit of practice, ideally in front of the mirror. It does help. You see yourself, you'll see whether it looks silly or it doesn't. Okay, what do you do?
From which part?
From
So-
kachan. Let's go through it fluently. Kachan, kachan, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7 defense.
7, yeah.
You go to me, defense, or
Yeah,
opposite?
to
To
you.
me. Okay. The turn for guys. The turn for guys is quite tricky one because I have to prepare myself for attack mentally and with the body as well. So I do toe, heel, cross, and here is a prep already for the turn. Yes, so I'll be rotating to the right. But not only, I want to open legs after, because normally this turn would finish with closed legs, so I would have 5, but here attacking, weird, so I have to make 6 and then 7. So directly after turn, I open my legs slightly, then attack. Don't attack with closed legs. That's weird. One more time, the same part. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. That's it. We'll do it fluently from the beginning. We haven't done it even once. So fluently, slowly, from the beginning. Basic 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, we go. Clave, hop, and pa, 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 and pa, 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 cross, and pa, pa, and pa, pa. Pa, and pa, ooh. And then chill. pa, basic, pa, hop. So you always have this cool down moment after attack defense, yeah? Music on. So as you could hear, this up is not only giving the loop, but it's giving introduction as well. So first you heard only clave, and then the rest of the rhythm joined. Pa, pa, pa. That's very slow. We go. Pa, 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 coom, pa, hop, coom, pa, pa, and pa. One more time, we go. Pa, 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 boom, hop. Okay, let's speed it up. Pa, 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 pa. We go. We go. That's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. If you have, remember, like, subscribe and press the bell. 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 Huh? This rhythm works very well for Rumba. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Facebook. You can become a patron of our channel if you'd like to help us making more videos for you. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.